where do we source material? Good question. Also kind of a loaded question because we're not limited just to the local places that we use. I've had instances where we've ordered material from different online sources, but most of the time we do utilize the local sources. That would be Home Depot, Lowe's. Floor & Decor is a great resource when it comes to tile and things like that. But I also have used the tile suppliers direct in Houston, and then on top of that we'll use places like ProSource, which is more of a contractor kind of place as opposed to a regular consumer place. But I have an account with ProSource, so we'll use ProSource. Ferguson's when it comes to plumbing. Sometimes we'll get tubs and things like that from Ferguson's. And then also when it comes to stone, so like granite, quartz, and things like that, we use local suppliers as well. So typically you can actually go to the yard and pick out the slab that you want. They'll put a whole number on it for you, and then we'll pick that slab up and fabricate it. So yes, mostly local sources, but sometimes every once in a while we use an online source if it's something that we can't get locally. We stay pretty busy, so I got plenty of other projects coming at you, and that's Project Junkies, baby. That's how we do it. So do me a favor, like, subscribe if that's something that you're into, and we will catch you in the next one.